If you want to work with references in Blender, I have the perfect add-on for you, Easyref. With this one, you can add references directly in the 3D view. This is pretty simple. If you put your mouse on the gizmo here, you will see that you can perform several operations. You can toggle the reference, you can move the reference, you can scale it, change the opacity like that, rotate it. You can also increment the rotation, and let's clear the rotation. You can flip horizontally and vertically, like that. In the UI, you will be able to create groups. You can create as many groups as you want. In each group, you can store some views, like that. If I select the paw, since I stored some views, I will have the active view set. Same for the head, I have this one. Same for the bottom, I have my references and my view stored. You cannot use stored view if you don't want, or you can disable the option to not change the view, as you can see. Okay, so for each group you can add as many images as you want from your computer, but you can also add images from the clipboard. So let's make a screenshot like this, click on this button, and bam, I have my screenshot directly. So like that, take screenshot on the internet for references and add them to your group as easily as that. If, let's see, you split your area, you will see that the references will be only visible in one area. If you want them to this area, you have to click on this little button. Like that, you can switch the references to the area you want. Like that. So let's close this area. Here you will have a button to toggle every references, and you will be able also to change the group like that. And if you put your mouse on it, you will see that you can perform several operations. So that's it for the image references. Now let's see the camera references. The camera references are perfect if you want to fit your character to a reference. For example, I have several references here and one for the head. I place my cursor here, and with the focus tool I can edit the focal length of the camera. So like that I will have almost something identical, and I will be able to edit my reference. You can lock the camera like that. You will move this and you will not rotate in and not lose anything. So you can add as many cameras as you want from the computer, with a reference from your computer or from the clipboard. Like that for the paw and for the head. So you will also have the ortho references here to set the ortho references here for the left, for the front, for the top, etc. This is pretty easy. Same from your computer or from the clipboard. You can add an image. After that, you can set the direction, or you can directly select this to add an image, and like that. So let's go in front view. You can add as many images for the front view as you want. You can manage each image directly in the settings, or you can manage all the image at once. This is really, really useful. After that, you will have the reference view. In this one, you will be able to add all the references you have for your character. You can manage them with collections. So I will have this one. Let's get rid of this one. I will have this one and this one. If you select some references, you can add them to new collections, you can move the collection, you can flip them, change the offset, etc., etc. You can close and open the reference view. You can also, from the reference view, let's see, I will select some references like that, and I will create a new group, and I will name it body. Okay, and I will click, since this image is selected, I will click on Add Images. Let's close the reference view, and now, as you can see, this is really fast. I have all my references. Let's change this. Directly in my view with my body, I can directly store a view, and now if I select this, I will have that. If I select my body, I will have that. Okay, so this is simple. Let's make this like that. Store this new view. Let's name it top. Double click. Okay, and for this one, let's name it side. I have my references, and from the reference view, You can add images to the image references, camera references, and ortho references. And that's it. This is as simple as that. Every references are in the blend file, and you can share your blend file. You will have all your references. You will not lose anything. So let's close the reference view, and that's it.